Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go!
We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going!
Some sounds are short, which is Mizuna's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Ella the One's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are very long, which is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. Let's talk about sound effects. And today's talking about sound effect is the pooping and farting sound effect from Kurami. Hello guys, IRL here. Today, I am talking about the pooping and farting sound effect from Kurami. It's from a video called Smelly Food. It was uploaded 2 years ago on 2022, December 18th. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 0:56 to 1:02. The total seconds are 6. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. And also, the private parts will be censored. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my OCs and characters when they poop in the toilet. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Kurami before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description below. The sound effect from this video starts at 0:56 and it ends at 1:02. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this talking about video. And make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode. And I'll also feature more characters in the next episode as well.